We live in an extraordinary uncertainty, especially during COVID situation. The pandemic changed a lot of people. The most of them lost their job, especially freelancer and other employees. Most of them realized that importance of money. They're spending lot of money on the hospital expenses. The huge savings, whatever they have in the savings, they incurred for the medical expenses. If you don't have a savings, they are struggling. Most of them realize that the importance of savings, the importance of investments. The money will try to help you under most of the problems. So whenever getting the salary, we have never thought of savings or investment options. But especially the current situations make us think we should have the savings or investment options. Based on the various analyses, I would like to point out 3 reasons to invest or savings. Number 1, liquidity. If you have strong liquidity, you can determine your future. You can determine whatever you want. You can do whatever you like it. No one cannot control you. Yes, if you have a strong liquidity, your confidence level is very high. Look at the situations. Every month end, 20th, 25th to 30th, you might be having that much money. What is the level of mindset? The same thing, the first week of every month, once you got the salary, you have a lot of money, your mindset is entirely different. If you have a cash, if you have a liquidity, your confidence level is very high. The dependency level is very less. You need not to bother about anyone. You can take a decision yourself. Number 2, affordability. When you're going for a shopping mall, when you're going for a hotel or restaurant, most of them used to look at the price tag, whether we can able to afford it or not. Even though sometimes we like the product, like the apparels, because of the price, we are not going for that. The affordability, we are not come to with this. If you want to buy the product, if you have the savings, so definitely you can buy according to that. Even though if I'm making the payment through credit card, after that you can withdraw from the money, I can redeem something from there, investments, you can make the payment. The confidence level, whether you can able to afford it, what is your lifestyle, whether are you living a standard lifestyle, you have to think through, and whether you can able to afford it or not. So for that, the savings or investment option is very important. Number 3, achieve your financial goal. The financial goal may be a short-term goal or long-term goal. If you set the target, if you assume if it is a short-term goal, every year you have to make the school payment, the school fees. You have to plan for every month. Every month 10,000 rupees for SIP or 5,000 rupees SIP or any savings. End of the year, you can redeem and make the payment. So short-term goal. If you're looking for the long-term goal, so build the house for education purpose or son or daughter marriage expenses. If you're looking for the long-term perspective, you have to start savings. You have to start invest. The small investment, the earlier as much as possible, you have start earlier, you can see the huge amount of returns. You can see the wealth. Yes, these are the 3 points: liquidity, affordability, and financial goals. will help you to solve your almost all the problems, especially for the financial point of view. Your dependency level is very minimized. You can decide whatever you want, especially during the situations. It's one of the best example. If you have the money, if you have the savings, you can get a treatment from the best hospital. The human life is very valuable. You have to focus on that. So for that, money is very important. If you have a strong savings in your bank, your life cycle is entirely different. You can stand out from the other people. So try to start invest yourself. Look at all the 3 points and start investing. Start savings today itself.